95th Terminal Improvement Project is a design-build project that we have with CTA. The scope of the project is to build a new south terminal station structure, new south bus bridge, widen 95th Street, one lane in each direction, and then do a rehabilitation on the existing north terminal to expand capacity for CTA's bus operations at both the north terminal and the south terminal. With the widening of 95th Street and the construction of the new south bus bridge, Paschen worked within our own company, within our divisions, and brought the best of our heavy highway civil division with our building division, who has the experience on CTA and transit work. And we brought different project teams together to be able to accomplish the goals of not just a building job, not just a transit job, but a highway, transit, and building project. The Paschen culture is to strive to make the workforce match the face of the community. We've done that in this community in the past, and we're continuing to do that on the 95th Street Terminal Improvement Project.